A farmer who cultivates gold through crops upon the motherland. A businessman who expands farmers' agricultural business. Millions of investors and thousands of brokers and many other institutions who participate in the commodity markets in India. For all of them, there is someone who is on the front line and who supports, protects farmers' interests as it intersects with business for a win-win situation. Who takes care of your investments and profits? Who resolves your problems? Who is your voice in the industry with the government and regulators? Yes, there is someone who has a mission with a vision to guide you onto the right path with the aim of transforming our rural economy to global. CPAI, Commodity Participants Association of India. CPAI is the registered All India Association of all the national commodity exchanges and comprising of commodity participants of the recognized commodity exchanges like MCX, NCDEX, NSE, BSE, ICEX and MSEI, as also warehousing companies and other stakeholders in the commodity industry operating across the country. The association has its head office in New Delhi and has 4 regions, viz. Western Region, Eastern Region, Northern Region and Southern Region. CPAI's mission is to work for a transparent, efficient, safe and vibrant commodity market and help create a world-class infrastructure for commodity spot markets. CPAI has a vision of Indian commodities market making an impact and influencing world commodity markets along with providing an efficient platform to consumers, producers, traders and the industry in general. The basic objective of the association is to work for the cause and concern of its members so that they could do business smoothly and their problems could be discussed with the relevant authorities. It provides a platform to its members to voice their opinion on various policies and operations of doing commodity dealings for its clients. Also, it provides professional assistance, guidance and special services to its members to function ethically according to the standard principles and practices laid down by the government, the regulator and the commodity exchanges. By virtue of its proactive role, sincere and logical approach in the development of commodity markets and integration of spot market, CPAI has earned recognition and appreciation from the government and the regulator such that SEBI has included it as a member in its Commodity Derivatives Advisory Committee or CDAC, Risk Management Review Committee RMRC and its subcommittees. In addition, CPAI has also been given representation in various committees formed by the exchanges. CPAI is serving its members and the commodity markets through its head office in New Delhi and 4 regional offices. The National Executive and 4 regional executive committees of CPAI comprising sincere and dedicated members from all parts of the commodity business in India. The unflagging efforts put in for transforming rural economy to global by the office bearers of CPAI has made organization proud. CPAI works as a team and takes a view after detailed deliberation with members, and such considered views are submitted to government, regulator and exchanges and have been receiving high acceptance. Keeping national objectives in mind, CPAI aims to create a transparent and safe commodity derivatives market in India to make it an international commodity hub while transforming rural economy to global.